go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robes channel. I'm your host Mark, and on the docket today we have an unboxing first impression video on the brand of Micallef, and this is part of the Secrets of Love collection, which from afar, when they first launched this line, those bottles looked great, and I actually wanted to purchase a few to put in my collection because they just look great. This one right here is a first dip for me in that line, so I'm going to finally see a bottle live. This one called Spiritual. Now, before we get into anything, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button. Much appreciated. To my returnees, welcome back to the channel. You've been missed. Now let's take a look at the note breakdown. Let's see what we got here. Very simplistic note breakdown of bergamot, pink pepper, jasmine, cedar, ambre gris, benzoin, and vanilla. This was released back in 2018. Let's delve into it. We got the sleeve here, and oh, looks like it's coming up from the bottom here. So we got like a old kind of Tom Ford-esque look of a box, and oh, this is plastic. Yeah, this is not what I expected. Is it plastic? Feels like it. Anyway. Not as sexy as they were in pictures, honestly. It probably looks really good to you, but it looks very cheap to me in my hand now, holding it. This thing, don't grab it by the cap. It has zero hold, like zero hold. So let's delve into Spiritual. We'll put it on strip first, and then we'll put it on skin. Not a bad atomizer, not a bad atomizer. So let's delve into it. Let's see what we get. Spiritual. Oh, that's super fruity. Bergamot? No. This screams fruity to me. This smells like black currant to me. Not listed in the note breakdown. Like no fruity notes are listed in the note breakdown. Okay. This is super fruity. And it's not a great black currant either. It's a very synthetic black currant. But it's black currant. You can tell. Well, at least I can tell, but not listed. Yeah, this is hyper fruity. Confused. Notes are bergamot, pink pepper, jasmine, cedar, ambre gris, benzoin, vanilla. Now there's sweetness in here, obviously. None of those notes would give me something that would make me confuse myself to a fruity note. Like bergamot obviously has some fruity nuances. Bergamot can go a little pineapple-y a little bit. That ain't... there is some of that in here, but the main factor of this, I'm trying to dissect, is very hard. It's very synthetic. It smells like a fruity vanillic thing. So that benzoin vanilla is coming through, but it's a very... the vanilla is not very good. It doesn't have much personality. It's just sweet. It's like those strong fruity scents that hit YouTube like 4 or 5 years ago, like the Herba Puras and all of those. Like when people started went gaga over this kind of stuff that was overly synthetic, really doesn't have much personality. Is actually really poor. Like Herba Pura is one of the poorest Xerjoffs, honestly. Yeah, it's fun, it's fruity, but it's very poorly done. This smells like that. It's in that realm. And the note breakdown is not telling me that. Like it's fruity, it's musky, it's vanillic. I'm getting a little bit of jasmine, which helps with the sweetness. This smells familiar to me. I think it reminds me of some of those fruity things that I tested out. And again, I'll test out stuff, even though it's super popular and I know it's not going to be up my... And I love fruity scents. Like one of the best fruity scents that I've smelled ever is Pulp by Byredo. Now, it's not for everybody, but it has a little bit of a challenging aspect to it. And yeah, maybe some people are going, well, fruity and challenging shouldn't go hand in hand, but... at least it smelt real. This does not. It smells super familiar. It gives me, this brand is, a lot of their fragrances is starting to give me that clone brand kind of vibe. And unfortunately for my subscribers, you can see it in my face, it's an uninspiring fragrance review. Because I'm smelling this and I'm like, I've smelt this before. And this is poorly done. And it's unfortunate. This is a beautiful bottle from afar, but far from beautiful when you start grabbing it. There is a glass bottle inside of this. It has some heft to it, but it's okay. But I wouldn't spend niche pricing or expensive pricing on something like this. This belongs in a designer bottle. It belongs in the $70 to $80 range. This should not be touching 3 digits in your wallet. $100+. It should not. And if you own one of these fruity scents, synthetic fruity scents, this doesn't bring anything new to the table. I'm really looking to see like online did people. Like, I feel like going on all these base notes, Fragrantica, Parfumo, and even YouTube, and seeing what people say about this. Are they getting fruity stuff, or am I just going? There's no way I'm that off. Because there's nothing in the note, like bergamot's the only thing that could really do something like this. I don't know. Anyway, it's primary, that fruitiness with jasmine and vanilla. That's what I'm getting. Yeah. So this one is available at fragflex.com. Hopefully it's not that pricey, but it's a Micallef, so you never know. But it's a discounter, so you never know. Go check out Fragflex, and you can use my code TFG10. It gets you 10% off site-wide, so you don't have to purchase this. And that coupon code, put it in your back pocket because you can utilize it at any time. There's no expiry on it. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. Good, bad, and the ugly. You can disagree with me. I'm actually, and this thing's making noise, so I'm not going to touch anymore. I'm looking forward to seeing what the comments, like the people that have smelt this fragrance, are you getting this fruitiness that I'm getting? Because I feel like me and the note breakdown are not jiving. Unless I got Fragrantica's way off on their note breakdown, which wouldn't surprise me. And it doesn't matter. Like, it's not like it's a wrong note breakdown and this thing's great. It's not. But I wonder how many people got fooled with the note breakdown. I don't know. Anyway, I'm looking forward to those comments. Hopefully a lot of people have smelt this, but as a Micallef, a lot of people have sampled the brand just because of its free bottle brigade. A lot of people's got their eyes on the brand, and well, we'll say they got their nose on the brand. So there might be a lot more than we expect in the comments, which will be nice. And as always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.